it's not so bad. Best day of my life. Good morning, people. Good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Oh my days, bro. Chilling. Right, just on my way to Bike Shack. Got up early for this. Little upgrades on the bike. That's all I'm saying. Stay tuned. What's good, people? We're here at Bike Shack. Literally just got here, just waiting on the boys to come and open up. What the fuck, man? Shut up, man. I'm filming a YouTube video. God damn, white boys. Pull up, gang. I'm good, I'm here before you. And I woke up like 10 minutes ago, bro.
Yeah, the world is so small till it ain't.
And we're in. Early morning Saturdays. Alf looks like he's ready. He's ready now, his helmet's off, he's ready. He said, let's go, let's fix every single bike in the world right now. All of them. Busy Bike Shack. Ooh, spicy. I don't like the carbon though. What? Carbon. I can't even say it. Oh, bro. What's that? But bits that are here, you can't see because it's not the ribble. Fuck ribble. But there's some bits there that are gonna get put on the whip dingle today. Trust me. Did I just put my bike somewhere? Oh, you put it there.
I did it, bro.
Jaworski. Yeah. Oh shit. For everyone that don't know, yeah. Mazza on a Mazza, and this is very important that you give Mario a raise. What bicyclings need to come out? All of them.
Go on, grab them. Grab all of them. Oh shit. You're late for work, bro, so you're going to have to go home.
Bruv, I was here 10 minutes before these, man. Yeah. I'm on the YouTube, bruv. The YouTube grind is coming, bruv. Also, 8 yards, check it out, link in the description. Just download your name. Keep taking money. Oh, Jesus. Too much money, bruv. How much are you down now? At least 70 grand, bruv. Too much money, he says. Oh my god, that is so lean right now. I know. Oh fuck. You're supposed to be doing work but you're playing Jenga. Your boy's getting stressed differently. Look, your boy's just looking out the window because he's just like, oh, I can't do this anymore. Joey, he is not happy. He's not liking life right now. Oh. Oh, we got the vibes in the workshop. Right, so these are going. These are going. This is going. These are going. Oh, this is going. I was going to keep it just for style points, but fuck it, can't be arsed. And yes, but here at the moment. But, before... Bow. Yes, Joe. If you're ever in East London, make sure you come and visit Bike Shack. Best vibes, always great service, man.
Hey, thank you, mate, for the glowing praise there.
I can't praise him enough. He's always helped me out and everything. So, if you're ever in East London, make sure you come here. I'll leave the link in the description and all that fucking for shizzle. Dunlop your nan. Hold tight. Let's get into it. I don't even need to put any oil on it. It's fine. Right. So right now, I'm taking my bike apart, just cleaning it. No, I've never seen a fresher chain in my life. I don't even think I need to change that. Why on earth, what was I on when I decided to stick like reflective fucking tape, fam? Oh shit, whatever. This is wicked, this super backwash. I smile, you miserable prick. He's not having a good day, guys, man. Alright, hey, if you're a customer, just be polite, man.
Be nice.
Just be nice. Be nice, because your boy's not having a nice day. He needs good vibes. Oh my days. Right, let me get a bit of POV washing and that. POV that. My hair's clapped, hence why the hat is on. I think I might keep it this way for a bit. One moment. Or would you let it slip? I'm gonna take my face out. No. Through these holes it is taking. What is mine for? I will shank your dog. Oh, it's Ski Man, I think. Oh, hello? Oh shit, well go on. Sorry, I didn't mean to sound disappointed then. I just generally thought I got the number right. Alright, stop interrupting my fucking shit now.
Hello.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you. You're stopping my vibes. I'm controlling the vibes for the shop, and you're stopping the vibes.
Oh, you still there, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna be here pretty much the majority of the day. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just chilling, doing bits on the bicyclings, everything.
Alright, love you, bye.
Alright, love you, bye. Fuck's sake. Fuck you. Jesus. Downtown. Shut up, you bastard. This is for taking chains off, right?
Yeah, and stick your hand in there.
Stick my hand in here?
Yeah.
Okay, only if you do it first.
So let me show you how it's done. So
Like, yeah, so stick your hand in there then.
I'll show you first.
Yeah. So show me, go on.
I'll show you first. I'll show
Oh!
you how you press it.
Jamie, stick your finger in here, mate. It won't hurt, I promise. Like what the teachers know. Is it teachers know, the dentists tell you. It won't hurt, and then it hurts. And then they wonder why no one wants to go to the dentist. You should never even cry. Where is the... Hey, fucking spray that. Oh, boy, that's how I be leaving me girls sometimes. Oh, babe, you're dripping.
If you want, you can just copy it from the notes and then stick it on.
If my girl comes in the front, yeah, tell her I've not been here, and I'm not. Like, yeah, no, and tell her that you're really busy and that she's got to go outside, because it'll be. No, do it. No, just do it, because it'll be funny, please. Well, no, because you're gonna be out there, so. Puta le mana, da to pulsa skara stufki.
What did I do?
Nothing, Souls. I completely forgot you was here because you're just downstairs in your own world. Yeah, his little gremlin down in the dungeon. What are you doing, bruv? Why have you come up? You know, who said you could come upstairs?
The time said I could come up.
Nah, bruv, it's not lunchtime yet.
It is, mate.
Nah, mate.
It is, mate.
Nah, mate.
It is, mate.
Nah, mate. Hey, Jamie. Jamie.
shout out
Hey,
you,
Jamie,
go
don't let
get
this
your
guy.
back,
Shut up, fam. Hey, don't let. Fucking stop taking your car apart. Yeah, shut up, fam. We're in East London. I'll shank you, bro. Hey, give me your phone and wallet, fam. Hey, does anyone actually? Wait, does anyone actually carry a wallet anymore? Do you carry one? Nah. Yeah, that's about the closest you're getting to it, isn't it?
I just carry my cards now, bro.
Yeah.
I don't carry no rest.
I just have a card. I don't have any. I have one card. That's it.
Yeah, that's it, innit?
That's it. Like. Right, so Em's just turned up to the shop, and I'm hiding in the toilet with my frame so she doesn't know I'm here because it'd be funny.
I'm sorry.
Yay! Hey, do you know how much we had to convince Yavor to lie to you? He's like, I can't lie to you.
How did you know I was here?
Because Yavor come and was like, she's running to the shutters. I was like, fuck, let's run. Once Yavor was on it, he was on it. It was good. Oh, Brev, that was fucking hilarious.
I saw your bike not here as well. So
Yeah, well, I know, that was so good. Yavor's like, shall I grab the frame? I'm like, nah. And then he like looks at me, I'm like, yeah, grab the frame. You're alright.
Alright, you're right.
Mm.
I hate you. Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry, why?
Shall I go get some KFC?
Right, babe, my phone's actually on 100% for once. Oh, heater. This is warmings. Alright, let's get the rest of these stickers off. Time lapse. Oh, Jesus. And another one. That's the old one. New. That's what that one looked like before. I think new headset. That one's gotta get sorted out, bits and bobs and that. Forks in here, which you will see in a minute. New pedals, this and that. Need a chain, need to sort this out. So much to do still, but we're vibing. I could talk way too fast. Jesus. I think I burped too much. Comment if you think I burped too much or if I fucking talk too fast.
Both. Absolutely both.
It's her fault. Hey, these blue gloves are sick, but I feel like I'm a doctor or something. It's probing time. Hey Joe, it's probing time. Bunda. For having your heart worth breaking, I've been wrong.
Good singing, babe.
Thank you. If I hadn't have injured my knee, I would have been a singer.
Right.
Hello. Dolan, right? I thought I was ruining your bike, but I think we've made it better. Tell me that doesn't look sick. That looks unreal. It's like raw and raw. Spicy. So spicy. Right, watch this. Oh. Does my beard look straight now? Yeah. Sick.
Have you seen that? Do you know about him?
And
Yeah, I've seen it.
We got that Nikolai. We got some good shit. What are you doing now? I held it and then got it out. Oh my days, why are you doing
Trying not to scratch.
Is that a little bit tricky?
Till summer in the option January sale.
Wavy there.
3 dates are on the Samsung Galaxy
Who's
S10
that?
III. Now from the 24th Shop all 2 January sale.
Cut out halfway.
What? That's Ron?
And now, Joe just put the sensors on. So I'm about to go test it and see if it is. Yeah, it's always fucking them sensors.
Satisfying bit.
He's fingered that old babe.
I need to figure out which one's left and which one's right.
Yeah, that's the
Right. Left. Oh, that is some gay shit right there. I've actually got to wind these in. Babe, I can't get it in.
Can't get it in. Same problem as always then.
Yeah, that's it. Oh shit. What do you mean tighten that? Yeah, yes babe.
Yes,
You know
babe.
when you start filming and I was just like, oh shit, basically done. But nice Alpina, fresh post. We got in the
Slide
Alpina.
it in.
The thing is, right, is I don't ride my seat there, so it's probably gonna just say Alp. But I'm gonna say it there because it looks very nice, and that's the wrong size. Could you grab me? Wait, what size is this? This is a 4.
Does this one fit the hole?
4, yeah.
Aha, there we go.
It's gonna raise.
Woo.
Yeah, sick. So, babes.
Shark. Is it hard work?
No. I don't know what you mean.
Babe, I don't think the handlebars are straight yet.
Ah. Fuck you. Yeah, Joe's going, excuse me.
Saturday vibe.
Look at the face.
What do you reckon? 760, yeah.
Yeah, I think 760.
Fine. Yep, glasses are on, yep. Woo! Oh, what did I do that at? 760-ish. $760-ish. That's good enough for me.
Not only is he aggy, but basically he's one of the few people who knows flat.
I'll do the bar wrap another day. Oh no, these come with fucking the bar ends in there, don't they? Yeah, I'll do the bar wrap another day. That's me. Bibbidi bop. Straight.
Yeah, so most times flyweights don't have the power to knock each other out. This guy, Figueiredo, has the power. he's fighting against this Mexican guy, Brandon Moreno. And the first time it was a draw. But the reason why it was a draw was Figueiredo got point deducted for. But this is what I mean, he's a nasty cunt, he has illegal strike. He got a point deducted in the first fight, so when he went to the decision, that's why it was a decision draw. His deducted point meant the point even that.
Oh, my toe.
So he claims that he should have won the first one. And then on the second one, he lost. But he lost in such a fashion. Like, it was kind of mad. Like, he's still a savage leader back.
No, I think you should do the tape today.
No.
No?
Honestly, the point. The after. After. Let's go. Aftermath. But I still love that precursor bit. I think that's the best bit. But everything's all sleek, blacked out. The only thing I had to do was get a 23C on the front because it doesn't bar spin otherwise. Like, it won't bar spin now because it's just there, but it clips like just here. But we're going to sort that out. We're going to get some fucking... I'm going to find the spec of what my old forks were. I'm just going to find them. Or I get someone to make them. That will work. But yeah. Big shout out for Dolan for sending these forks, even though we can only run them on 23s. We make do, we get it done. So let's go. Don't up your hand.
I don't need to lie no more. Nowadays all I do is shine, take a breath and ease my mind, yeah. She don't cry no more. Tell me that I get her high, cause an angel's supposed to fly. I ain't asking why no more. No, I take it if it's mine, I don't stay inside the lines. It ain't 2009 no more. Yeah, I know what's behind that door. Okay, you gotta jump in to swim, yeah. The light was dim in this life of sin. Now every day I wake up and breathe, yeah. I don't have it all, but that's alright with me. Take it nice and easy, took a flight to see me. Send you back home with a light that's beaming. My whole team about to figure it out. We ice cold, that's what winter about. And sometimes, I wish I took a simpler route. Instead of having demons that's as big as my house.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe, don't up your nan.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Appreciate you all. Appreciate you guys for listening. Listen to the record if you feel so inclined, and have a great day.